People recognize the UL standard as the ballistic resistant standard. It's very equivalent to the NIJ standards of the US.
All right, Kevin, so explain the tests, could you? What are we seeing here today?
Well, we're seeing a couple of different types of gun today. We're seeing a .38 Special and a .357 Magnum.
Now, how far from the glass are the shots fired?
The gun's barrel is set 10 feet from the glass, and depending on which type of gun, the UL standard requires us to shoot 3 triangular shots.
Okay, so the range is ready for the first sample of glass and laminate. What kind of glass are we looking at here?
This is a 12-inch by 12-inch thermal pane window, 1/4-inch thick annealed glass with an air gap and 1/4-inch thick glass on the backside.
Now, what do we look for after the shots are fired?
Well, we inspect the backside of the glass to ensure, of course, there is no penetration and no spalling within the film.
Okay, Kevin, can you tell us why the shooter has to stand behind the screen?
Well, if we slow the shot down, we can actually see that the bullet will be rejected or rebound from the glass. If the shooter was any closer, he would actually be at risk of being penetrated by the rebounding shot.
Now, we've seen a full UL752 test on a 12 by 12-inch sample. If we use a regular size pane of glass, say 30 inches by 60 inches, how many hits can you expect that to withstand?
This all depends where the shots are fired, but I'll give you an example. If it is a sharpshooter firing at you, he will of course get only 1 shot, and then you will be running for cover, and he will basically have to be shooting at you from all different areas of the glass. Well, the second example is we are showing the .357. It has a capacity of 10 shots in the clip, so we are firing all 10 shots at the glass to demonstrate that it will stop all 10 shots.
So why does the gunman fire randomly across the glass?
If this were a real-life attack, after the first shot, the person under attack will react. This is a typical reaction, of course, to the bullets being fired, and the attack will simulate the multiple shots at this moving target.
Kevin, there are many bullet-resistant products on the market. What makes ours so different?
Well, basically, for a fraction of the cost of removing the regular glass and installing bullet-resistant glass, we can actually install our laminate onto the back of regular glass found in buildings to make it bullet resistant. There's also a very important detail with laminating with our laminates on the back side, and that's the fact that it is bullet resistant from the exterior. If the attacker is attacking somebody on the interior of that glass, it will resist the bullets. However, if there is a security personnel on the inside of that building that is wanting to take down that gunman, he can essentially fire through the laminated glass and it will penetrate and essentially take down the attacker.
Kevin, aside from the obvious, what dangers can come from standing behind untreated glass in the event of live fire?
As we are watching now, we have the unprotected glass. It is of the same thickness and type of glass as the protected glass with our laminate on the inside, just to demonstrate the fact that the glass alone does not stop the bullet.
Kevin White, Chief Destructive Engineer here at ACE, thanks for all that information on the extremes this product can resist.
Thank you.
For ACE Security Laminates, I'm Jeff Franklin. Thanks for watching.